Today we are going to understand how you can check your battery health status using command prompt in your laptop. First of all, you have to go to your command prompt. After that, you have to write down like powercfg slash battery and report. After that, press enter and it will provide you a path. You have to copy that path until dot, and after copying you can paste anywhere. For example, I'm going to paste here, and after that click enter. So I'm going to use like Microsoft Edge for seeing my report. Now we have two things. The first one we have is design capacity, and the second one we have is full charge capacity. Now what you have to do, you have to open your calculator, and after opening, just you have okay. After opening your calculator, just you have to divide both of them. Like first of all, you have to write down your full charge capacity. For me, it's 43,960. Okay, 43,960, and like you have to divide with the design capacity. For me, for my laptop, it's like 57,000. Okay, like write down 57,000 and press equal to, and after that you have to multiply with 100. So after that, when you press equal to, you will get your battery health status from your command prompt easily. Easy peasy na.